With a single crochet, we're going to skip the first chain and we're going to go into the second one through this back loop back here. And you'll yarn over, pull through once, yarn over, pull through a second time. And then we're going to go back into the chain, to the next chain stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through again. The next one, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through again. And you can start to see your single crochets form, and your little V stitches will be on the top up here. And we're going to get to this last stitch here. Go in, do a yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. And now you'll see you have your single crochet here, and you'll see little V's up here. Those are the next stitches that you're going to work into. So we're going to do one chain, and then you'll turn your work. And if you think about turning your work like you would turn a book, like a page in a book, that helps. So you'll turn your work. We're not going to work in that first chain. We're going to work in this next chain right here. And if you can have the front loop that you would go through, or you can have the back loop that you would go through. Or you can go under both of the V's. We're going to go under both the V's, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Do that again. Under both V's, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And you'll see there's kind of a little bit of a hole right there under both those V's. So we're going into that little hole, both V's, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. That last stitch, you're going to go right in there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. Chain, turn it like a book. And that's how you form single crochet.